Hey, what's up? My name is Angie, and in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you this really great product that I found online. It's not on Amazon for once. I was doing some intense Google research because when I moved into this apartment and the time came to finally, settle into my room and everything, I didn't want to go the tension rod route with the window treatment because I had this really great idea that I wanted nice heavy room darkening curtains in the color green in velvet. So that was just kind of my big idea. I didn't want to go the tension rod route because I don't like the look of curtains being inside of the window frame. Yeah, so I didn't like that. I didn't want to go the command strip route because I don't have much experience using command strips, to be honest, and I didn't want to take a chance with the command strips and just hope that it wouldn't just fall out the freaking, the window. I didn't want to go the drilling route and, have damage on the wall because I don't re-sign my lease at the end of the term. Then I obviously want to get my security deposit back, so that's that. The name of this product is called KWICKHANG, and apparently they were on Shark Tank, which I think is pretty cool. They are family owned and operated, which answers my question and my disbelief as far as why isn't this product at Bed Bath & Beyond, why isn't this product at the Container Store, or not even why isn't it in store, but why isn't it at least offered online only? I don't know, but I think this is a really great product. They have 5-star reviews online. The product that I got myself, it's the single curtain rod brackets, and for a pair you're paying $11.99. They offer 5 different colors, which I'll insert here, and 2 different size options. So I got the 1-inch size in the color gold, and something for you to know is that it's a bracket that's shaped like an L, which again I'll insert the video here of what it looks like, and it has 2 small pre-drilled nails in it, which is fine. The catch is that with that bracket you have to insert it on your window trim. That's the beauty of this product, is that with it being no measuring or no damage on the wall, it's on the actual window trim where you're placing this product. The window trim, speaking of, has to be at least a 1/2 inch thick for this product to be, and I keep doing this, sorry. So again, sorry I keep doing this, but that's literally what you have to do to install this product. It's super easy. It took me 2 minutes to do. Literally the only thing you need is a hammer and a step ladder maybe, and that's about it. So you grab the item, you flush it against the wall with the 2 little nail like things coming down, flush it on the wall, and you just hammer that bad boy down. That's it. Super easy. But also obviously the pros, it's super easy to install. There's no damage done to the wall. Up to 20 pounds. Can you believe it? I mean, come on. Up to 20 pounds worth of weight, so it's definitely sturdy, and no measuring or leveling required, which again, super cool. I think it's definitely worth the price. I probably, honestly, I would have definitely paid a little more even if I had to. But now, as far as being a hard critic with this product, the only negative thing that I have to say is that there's an inconsistency when it comes to the color gold, and that's just all across the board, not just for this brand but just for all brands. Unless you're buying from the same brand, let's say Target, it has to be the same brand within Target for it to all match and be consistent as far as the color gold is concerned. So I'll insert again a video here that with the 3 items that I have here, with my curtain hook, my curtain hangers, and the curtain rod itself, they don't match. There's an inconsistency. So if you're very meticulous on everything matching, such as myself, I mean, I would have liked for everything to match, but it doesn't bother me too much because, again, I was just super sold on this idea. If you're going with a classic color like black or white, you're probably better off with that. If you have any questions, it is very informative. Definitely check it out. I will link the item that I got personally down below.